Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of energy futures. We'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. An interesting combination yesterday of a key reversal up, a bullish engulfing pattern, just to both those two, as well as a bullish opening white Mariposa. The action countered the move lower in the last week or so. Interestingly prompted, it seems, by the support at 62.09 from 2 weeks ago. Overhead we now have some light congestion in the 65.25 area and stronger at 65.95. One final observation, there is a small hint that the action over the last 3 weeks or so may be forming a small head and shoulders top, with the neckline running at yesterday's low of 62.38. Nothing other than a hint of that, mind you. So far today, small extension higher, but then a move back down through the short moving average, currently at 63.82. Now this does not counter the hint of a small head and shoulders top mentioned earlier. ICE gas oil futures. An interesting combined bullish engulfing pattern and bullish opening white Mariposa yesterday. Despite this, the market was still capped by the first overhead piece of resistance, and that's the February 2020 high, often mentioned at 523 3/4, and closing just over the short moving average, currently 519.5. Much as in Brent crude oil, there is a merest hint that we may, over the last 3 weeks or so, have formed a possible small head and shoulders top. The neckline here is sloping lower, as opposed to the one for Brent, and is currently at 506.5. This is just a hint here, so please bear that in mind and keep watching. This would go some way to show why we have had support earlier in the 510 even area. So far today, the overhead February high at 523 3/4 has once again restricted some moves, early moves higher, causing a pullback to that 510 even level again. Right now we're matching yesterday's range in effect. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is the final bit.